Brilliant. Come with us on a walk to Ceunant Mawr, Llanberis, with views of Snowdon Mountain Railway, fabulous viaduct as you can see. So you park up at Gerllyn car park in Llanberis. It's called Gerllyn because, as you can see, it's literally by the lake. So I'm going to give you a map here to show you exactly which way to walk to the waterfall. The easiest way to walk is through the Maes Padarn and Dolly Council Estates, then up to where the waterfall way is. Now, you used to be able to cut right behind the houses, but you have to walk up the hill a little bit now. There are two other walking routes available, both take about 20 minutes. So as you can see the viaduct of the Snowdon Mountain Railway. I've been here a few times and I've never seen a train go over it. My timings have always been shocking. Ah, just like it's a stunning walk. Yes, there's concrete, but it does get very tricky towards the end and it has broken in places. So whilst it is beautiful and you can see the water, it's not really accessible for wheelchairs and prams. And also there's quite a large drop to the side into the water. So be very careful of children and dogs in my case. Let's go, Meeks. Come on in. Hey, you go. Okay. Come for a Mother's Day walk next to Ceunant Mawr.
Look, we're going to throw this over there.
Okay.
What?
Over there.
No, in this bit.
No, over that bit.
You ready? It's going to come out there now.
It's going.
It's going!
Maya! Oh, there is! It's gone.
I want to come down now.
Come on, Max!
I'm coming
Ceunant Mawr and Snowdon Mountain Railway up at the top. Let's get back. I've had to traverse that. Nearly end. That bit there. I need to get back over and I got wet. That bit there I got wet. Just been to Ceunant Mawr for another day walk. I'm walking back now. I've had to put the dog back on the lead because she goes far too close to the edge, and if she falls down there I'm not getting her back. And while she was a strong swimmer, I don't think she is anymore. She's old, bless her. Anyway, I'm gonna spin you around now so you can see the Snowdon Mountain Railway viaduct. This is impressive. I need to do this railway this year. Been saying it for 3 or 4 years now. This one I have to do this year, definitely. So from here actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 arches. So after taking a few pictures of the viaduct, you know, because you have to, it's the law, I headed back towards the village. We went past Snowdon Mountain Railway Station, but unfortunately I didn't take any pictures. So instead, here's some pictures of me and Megs waiting for the kids and Daddy to turn up. They decided to take a detour via the park. Great little walk for a family, that one. So hope you enjoyed.